Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Cypress Development, GCM Mining, Maple Goldmines and Calibre Mining. Cypress Development continues with great news, reporting positive results in direct lithium extraction called DLE at its Amargosa Valley lithium extraction plant in Nevada. Analysis of samples collected during continuous operating cycles in March, April and May 2022 showed an average lithium recovery rate of 99.5% in the DLE area of the pilot plant. These high lithium recovery rates were accompanied by high levels of segregated impurities. These are very good results, as Bill Willoughby, President and CEO of Cypress, agreed. The information gained from the tests and the license for the technology are important steps for Cypress and the ongoing feasibility study. In continuous round-the-clock testing over the past 3 months, lithium recovery rates in the DLE range have been consistently above the 99% level. These high lithium recovery rates were recorded on 76 sets of feed and discharge samples. Samples were collected at 6-hour intervals during the operating period and analyzed for lithium and other elements at ALS Global. Removal of the major cations, calcium and magnesium also exceeded 99% during the period, which is very important as it prevents contamination of the final product. Cypress Development is full on track. GCM Mining produced 18,507 ounces gold at Segovia in May 2022, compared to 17,936 ounces gold in May last year. This brought total gold production the first 5 months of 2022 to approximately 87,000 ounces. The expansion of the company's processing plant at Segovia to 2,000 tons per day is nearing completion and is expected to be completed in July. The company is on track to achieve its 2022 annual production guidance of 210,000 to 225,000 ounces gold. The company processed an average of 93 tons of tailings per day at its polymetallic plant in May 2022, resulting in the production of approximately 130 tons of zinc concentrate and approximately 94 tons of lead concentrate, which was stockpiled. The company entered into the offtake agreement for the concentrates earlier this month and is preparing for the first shipments to be made by the end of this month. Payable production from the concentrates in May 2022 is estimated to total about 114,000 pounds of zinc, 124,000 pounds lead, 9,500 ounces silver and less than 50 ounces gold. They pay a monthly dividend of 1.5 Canadian cents, which is great. No wonder the analysts at Red Cloud Securities are very positive on the stock and have given it a price target of a whopping 17 Canadian dollars. Honestly, we have the same view as Red Cloud Securities on GCM Mining. Maple Goldmines announced assay results from the Phase 1 drill program at its 100% controlled Eagle Mine property in Quebec in Canada. The Phase 1 program consisted of 8 diamond drill holes totaling 4,462 meters that are beginning to test potential extensions of mineralization along the formerly producing Eagle Tellbell mine trend. Importantly, drilling has identified at least 4 additional styles of gold mineralization beyond the known past mined Eagle Tellbell style, providing further evidence of multiple gold occurrences that may allow for a broader gold distribution than previously interpreted. A highlight was hole EM22005 with 4 grams gold per ton over 7.5 meters, including 6.4 grams gold over 3 meters within a semi-massive pyrite and iron carbonate horizon typical of historic Eagle Tellbell style mineralization. Additional holes returned 4.4 grams gold per ton over 90 centimeters within quartz carbonate veins containing visible gold. The data collected in Phase 1 is already being used as the basis for Phase 2 drilling testing the Eagle Tellbell mine trend at greater depths. 12 holes totaling approximately 8,200 meters should be drilled by the end of the quarter. Further results are expected from the winter drilling program from Douai in the coming weeks. Also, the first partnership drilling at Tellbell is expected to commence in the 3rd quarter of 2022 under a recently approved 4.8 million Canadian dollar supplemental budget for deep drilling at Douai and Choutelle. Quite a bit of activity at Maple Goldmines, and we look forward to seeing the results. Calibre Mining received a crucial environmental permit from the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources in Nicaragua for the development and production of the Pavón Central open-pit mine. Darren Hall, CEO of Calibre, stated, "The approval of Pavón Central is a significant milestone in the company's efforts to organically increase production and utilize some of the installed excess capacity at our Libertad mill. We look forward to including Pavón Central in the development profile that will allow for great base production growth in 2023 and 2024 from the 6.49 grams gold per ton gold reserve." We will continue to work closely with regulators, local communities and all stakeholders to ensure safe and responsible development and production at Pavón Central, said Darren Hall. Perfect, and this will allow Calibre to continue to grow nicely with existing assets. Calibre is advancing the development of Pavón Central with the goal of commencing production in the first quarter already next year. Combined mineral reserves at Pavón Norte and Central open-pit mines as of year-end 2021 totaled 165,000 ounces gold at an average gold grade of 5.07 grams gold per ton. Pavón Central has an average reserve grade of 6.5 grams almost gold per ton, significantly higher than the average gold grade of 3 grams and 3.28 grams gold at Pavón Norte, and is expected to contribute to the company's production growth in 2023 and 2024. Calibre has identified the potential for resource expansion along strike and at depths in the Pavón vein system, as well as on new vein targets within the total 32 square kilometers land package where 2 drill rigs are currently operating. Scotiabank sees Calibre Mining at $2.75 in 12 months. We have a target price of $2.5 to $3 by the end latest of next year. Please note the disclaimer superimposed now. The shares are all part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm also a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.